Hello, everybody. I'm Alex. This is my wife, Faye. We thought about starting a business for a better life. We have three kids, beautiful kids. Hopefully, can help them get into college. One of them got married. Maybe help her with the down payment on the house, and just bettering our life and having more freedom and being more involved in a business. We decided to get involved with Tikiz because, first of all, the interaction with people. We love kids. You know, I'm usually like to joke around with everybody. I like to put smile in people's face, and I think shaved ice and ice cream would be the perfect thing to do that for. Our experience here has been great. Brian, Danny, and Rashad have been very nice to us. They have showed us ins and outs of the business. They have showed us everything. Today, actually, we went to an event and did some of the ourselves for the first time. I drove the truck, and the whole experience has been great.